For 5 long years, I studied tobacco. For 5 long years, I sought out those who understood it. For 5 long years, I researched the masters. For 5 long years, I studied the growers. For 5 long years, I chased the best cigars halfway around the world and back again. For 5 long years, I researched how tobacco ages. For 5 long years, I followed the myths, ran with the rumors, and got to the bottom of what could be true to find out what really is. At Privada Cigar Club, over the last 5 years, we have amassed the world's largest collection of aged New World cigars. Each cigar tells the story of each master of craft, the factories they have built, and the trips we took to find them. If you're interested or have already fallen in love with cigars, or simply want to learn more about them, join us for the next 5 years as we explore the collection and share these beautiful cigar experiences together. #We Are Privada.